What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cynsational Locs, and I'm back with another quick video here. I am installing some Cynsational instant locks here for my client, and I wanted to show you guys a technique with this. So we're just gonna breeze through it here as we normally do, and I'll come back to you guys when I want to highlight some things. And we know what it is here. I'm just sectioning the hair, getting it all nice and parted evenly so that I know where I'm going to install her locks before I get started with the crochet. When her parts were all said and done, she ended up with 72 locks. And here you can see I'm just using my technique where I combine both the single needle crochet hook and the double needle crochet hook to help me breeze through this. If you guys haven't seen my review on the new double needle crochet hook and you haven't copped one yet, you guys need to go ahead and click the link to that. I'll have it in the description box below. It truly is a game changer, and it really helps me breeze through the instant lock process. But here's what I really wanted to show you guys in this video. So you see the texture in this client's hair. It's a little straighter at the top. That is heat damage. So this client has already been working on growing out her roots and getting her curl pattern back, and I can see that her roots are healthy. So I had no issue with installing some extension hair onto this. Now this hair she did pick up herself. She got from just a local beauty supply store. It's not hair that I would normally recommend. Any loc extensions that I'm going to handcraft and that you will order from me, I'm getting that hair directly from Making Styles, and that hair has been proven to be just great quality. But this hair, it definitely served its purpose here. She's not going to be planning on lifting it to dye it or anything, so it definitely filled in its purpose. So we did just go ahead and interlock her roots, and we got a new loc queen on the way, y'all. These came out fantastic, and she loved it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and make sure you're subscribing to the channel and that you hit that notification bell so you're not missing any of my uploads as soon as I put them out there. And if anybody's in the KC area, that's Kansas City, and wants themselves a set of Cynsational Locs, my booking information is also in the description box below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next video.